Hello to all of my dinner guests and welcome back to Vanessa's Dinner Table. Today I'm going to show you how to make a turkey pot pie out of that leftover turkey. Alright, so first you want to start off by brushing an egg wash on your bottom crust and then placing it in a 375 oven for about 5 minutes. That keeps the bottom from getting soggy once you add your filling inside. Alright, so then you want to have your vegetables already prepped before you start this. It makes things much easier. So once you have those prepped, then you want to go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of butter and then begin to saute your onions. And then add the rest of your vegetables. And then your seasoning. Now, every seasoning that I use and the amounts will be in the description below. And then you want to go ahead and add your water. Now, if you don't want to add water, you can always use chicken broth or vegetable broth or whatever you would like to use. Now, in a separate pan, you want to go ahead and add about 1 cup or 2 cups of your leftover turkey and some butter. And then you want to go ahead and add some flour. And then your milk. Okay, now once that's done, you can go ahead and add it to your vegetables. And then once you're done mixing everything all together, you can go ahead and add it to your bottom crust and then place the top crust on top. Now don't laugh at me, everyone, because I'm still learning how to make a crust, and so it was kind of falling apart, but it still works. Now you want to actually go ahead and make incisions in the top crust, but because this is all broken up and there's actually spaces for the heat to escape, I didn't make any incisions in the top crust. And then once that's done, you want to go ahead and add it to your oven until your crust is golden brown. And I forgot to add, guys, I added an egg wash on the top as well to help it to brown. Alright, and so after about 20 to 25 minutes, you have your homemade turkey pot pie. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the thumbs up button and leave me a comment because I love responding to you guys and hearing your feedback. Alright, so have a great day and God bless.